salamat.
May hydraulic supon.
Maraming salamat sa inyo. See you next week. Close.
Happy birthday!
Thank you sa inyo.
Last Monday.
Oo, last year yung birthday ko. Last Monday, January 16, nagpapasalamat ako dahil binigyan ako ni Lord Lee ng panibagong linggo. Linggo na.
Ilang taon ka
Ay,
na?
sa panibagong taon.
Sorry. Meron akong tanong. The question
Agad?
Yeah.
Bago yun. May surprise po yung birthday girl natin para sa inyo.
Tatago rin.
Yes!
Correct!
Everyone, please give a round of applause for Ate Alex Gonzaga!
Ano ba si Karen? Kuya, paki-rewind. Kasi niya. Okay, thanks.
Kita mo ka mo just isa ka. Oh, yan. Ito yun na naman.
Hi, AG. And all I wanna do is to fall in deep. Taxi. But close ain't comes down till we cross the line. Baby, something that games play and roll the dice. Oh baby, look where it started. The temperature's rising in here. Is this gonna happen? Been waiting and waiting for you to make a move. Before I make a move. Come on, let's chill out, come on! So get my mind up. And baby, I'll let you on it. A little bit dangerous. But baby, that's how I want it. I'll let this conversation go down. You don't want to touch my body. 'Cause I'm so into you. Got everyone watching us. Come on, come on. Body, girls. Scandalous. So baby, let them see it. A little less conversation and go. Don't want to touch my body. 'Cause I'm so into you. Jockey. This will take some time. Made too many mistakes. Better get this right. Hi, babe. Oh, baby, look where it started. The temperature rising in here. Been waiting for you to make the move. Before I make the move, you on it, a little more dangerous. A little focus, I need on it. A little less conversation and a little more touch my body. 'Cause I'm so into you. Get everyone watching us. So baby, let's keep it secret. A little bit scandalous. But baby, that's how I want it. A little less conversation and a little more touch my body. 'Cause I'm so into you. So into you. Tell me what you came in for. 'Cause I can't love you right no more. I'm on the edge of no control, baby. I need you to know, you to know.
Ay, nang masumpong
Kasi budak na yun. Budak pa ba? Natanggal daw kasi yung ngipin niya.
sa pagpapasok na daw sa
Happy birthday, Alex! Thank you so much for that. Yes. Kamusta naman yung birthday celebration mo?
Masayang-masaya ako dahil wala kayo doon.